All right, lot to pay attention to depending on your zip code and your elevation. A very dynamic, very unusual storm, as Kathy was just talking about, with a variety of precipitation coming in the next couple of days.
Meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen is hoping everyone is keeping an eye on what's happening outside because scientists need help with that data, right? You're just one man, Corey.
Yeah, we need a lot of help out there, and really the information, the data that citizen science can gather can help improve forecast models and really the forecast in general. And all it takes is answering one very simple question: what is falling from the sky right now? Snow falling when the temperature is above freezing is a very Colorado thing.
Maybe you're driving and you look at the thermometer in your car and you notice that it's 35, 36 degrees Fahrenheit, and yet there's snow falling. And you might have wondered, did we just break the laws of physics?
Research scientist Megan Collins says snow doesn't actually break the laws of physics, but it doesn't exactly play by the rules either.
What we're seeing out of this project is that transition between rain and snow happens at different temperatures in different storms, and it happens differently across different regions.
She's running a research project called Mountain Rain or Snow. She's asking citizen scientists to log into an app and simply make a note of when the precipitation around them changes. From the mountains, the cities, and the plains, more than 40,000 reports have already been made.
And I know some people are always like, more data is a little can get a little noisy, but I think for our purposes, more data is perfect.
Water resource engineer Nayoung Her says the data gets used to improve satellites and computer models. That can make snowfall forecasts better and also help warn when rain is going to fall on snowpack. Something that hasn't happened much in the Rocky Mountain region yet, but could become a problem in the future.
And so flooding implications there is a really big deal. Also, just people to know how stable is their snowpack.
Some people love watching the weather and love talking about it, and this is a way to kind of share that energy with scientists to make a difference.
And so right now we still have a little bit of warm sunbeams raining down in the Golden area, but the precipitation will be coming soon. About this time tomorrow, so in 24 hours from now, we should see that ultimate transition into snow, and we should see some really heavy snow here in the Denver metro area at that time. But Tom, Kim, in between then and now, we could get some of those scattered individual cells that could produce some pretty interesting stuff: rain, snow, hail, sleet, grapple, thunder snow. I think Tom's personal favorite, thunder grapple, all possible.
Thunder grapple. You know, normally I watch television still in black and white, but I purchased a color television just for the variety that I'm going to see on my Doppler radar on my TV screen pretty soon. We're going to see everything.
Oh man, Tom, let's do this. This is going to be interesting and fun. Let's just buckle in. Let's see what goes down.
Whatever color we can get, it'll be great.
In living
All
color.
Right. We know Corey lives for these moments, so it's almost like a summer event where you do see everything: thunder, lightning, hail. I mean, this with a snowstorm.
Yeah, you know, and I know Tom likes those colors, and when you're watching your radar, your favorite radar app, you'll see some magenta colors possibly,
yeah.
which is something you only see in spring and summer, so
Sure.
that's something to look forward to.
We wouldn't know magenta if it weren't for Crayola. But thank you, Corey. We'll be checking back with you in just a little bit as the colors make their way through Colorado on our radar maps.